Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover your account on remote.co, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin recovering your account on remote.co, navigate to the website. On the home page, locate the sign in button in the top right corner. Click on the sign in button. You will be directed to the login page. Look for the Forgot Your Password link beneath the password entry field. Click on the Forgot Your Password link. A new page will load, prompting you to enter your registered email address. Input the email address associated with your remote.co account. After entering your email, click on the Send Password Reset link button. Check your email inbox for a message from remote.co. If you don't see it, also check your spam or junk folder. Open the email and look for the password reset link. Click on the link provided in the email. You will be redirected to a page that allows you to create a new password. Choose a strong and secure password for your account. Confirm your new password by entering it again in the designated field. After successfully entering your new password, click on the Reset Password button. You will receive a confirmation message that your password has been reset. Return to the login page of remote.co. Enter your email address and the new password you just created. Click the Sign In button to access your account. You are now successfully logged into your remote.co account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.